here's the thing. Yeah, I gave up trying to do it just using the yeast, so I used the turbocarbon and turbo finings. It's a lot more efficient and a lot less time consuming. With regard to heads and tails, if you're using things that have heavy elements to them, like, I don't know, maize, corn, wheat, oats, whatever, then you're going to have heads and tails, and your bodies and your hearts, all that kind of crap. If you're just using pure sugar, you don't really have heads and tails. And if you're using an air still, which is a set temperature throughout, you don't really get heads and tails. You just get pretty much barely noticeable start, barely noticeable finish, but pretty much throughout the entire run, it's the same. So why would you stop when your alcohol content goes down to 30-40%, when all you're going to do is dilute it with water? So what I do, I leave it running until all that's coming out is water, until I get every single bit of alcohol out of my wash. And then I'll dilute it down. Because by doing it this way, I'm getting about a litre out of the still before it gets down to just water coming out. And I dilute it a little bit more to get it down to 40%. It seems pointless throwing away the wash when there's still alcohol in there. If you've got no heads and tails to worry about, or anything, or if you're going to notice, then why stop? Why not just let it run until all you've got coming out is water? Maximise the efficiency. Get every last bit of alcohol out of it.